It's January 1st, 2019. Woke up to a winter wonderland today. We probably had, I don't know, 8 inches of snow yesterday. This was all snow blown yesterday evening. And I think we probably got another 12 inches or so last night. So it's pretty crazy living up here in Forest Lakes. I'm about to pull some snow off of our roof, and then I'm gonna snow blow. It's a good day to have off. Good day for a vacation day. Should be fun. Girls are gonna come out and sled. And I'm gonna play with the snowblower in a bit. So, good play day.